Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Spa Stick Mineral Sanitizer. What is Spa Stick Mineral Sanitizer? These mineral sticks help remove traces of minerals from the water and make it clear and comfortable. They also reduce the water's impurities. Sticks are made of ABS plastic and are safe to use. The minerals inside are not harmful to the human body. Sticks are easy to install and use and are designed to work seamlessly with most spa equipment. They are compatible with most standard spa filter setups. Specifications: material, plastic ABS. Type, mineral purifier filter. Usage, spa, swimming pool, hot tub water filtration. Product size, 16 inches by 1.25 inch. Make sure that the filter hole is larger than the product's diameter. They are ideal for keeping algae out of hot tubs and spas. Our 2 cartridge sticks are maintenance-free and can last for up to 4 months. They are ideal for maintaining low-cost water quality. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.